name is Stan Williams. I'm a senior solution engineer here at Sauce Labs. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to annotate a test using the Sauce Labs REST API. What you're seeing now is the test detail page in Sauce Labs. On the right-hand side, we have this metadata panel. So you can see there's several entries in here, including tags. And down here, we have a custom data object, but it's null at the moment. So these are the values we're going to set with an API call. And in order to point that API call to the correct job or test, we need to get the ID. It's up here in the URL. It's also listed, of course, in the metadata. Let's go ahead and take a look at the statement. Pull it up here. So in the top white box, what we have is a representation of the curl statement. I've broken it into separate lines to make it easier to read. Your operating system may not allow that. In maroon here, we have the JSON object of values we want to set. You can see for the tags object, we're passing in an array. And then for custom data, we're passing in a JSON object consisting of name value pairs. So we have release, server, and internal link as the values we're setting. When you're composing your curl statement or your call to the API, I recommend using a site like this one. This is a JSON formatter and validator page. I've pasted in our JSON object here in the top. You can see that it's valid JSON, so we are in fact ready to go. Back here, looking at the command again, you can see that in green, we have references to environmental variables for our Sauce Labs credentials. We always recommend that you store your credentials in environmental variables so that you can share your configurations and your tests. Finally, in blue, this is the ID that we got from the URL. So let's go ahead and run this. This large blue window here is my terminal. Already got the command queued up, ready to go. It's already executed while we were speaking. What we got back here was a JSON object of the elements of metadata for this test. Let's go ahead and look back in the URL. I'm going to refresh the test detail view. And when it comes back, we're going to see that in the metadata panel, let me click there, we have in fact set the tags. We've set 3, function, web, and pass expected, as we saw in the JSON. Scroll down a little bit, we'll see in custom data that we do in fact have the 3 entries that we talked about before. So that is how you annotate a test. We have a section in the Sauce Labs wiki about this. I'm showing it on the screen now, and you can find more references to what values you can set there.